Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're diving into the ocean to meet an incredible creature. Are you ready to play? Let's begin! Here's your first clue. Take a look at this close-up image of a fin. Notice its unique, curved shape. Which ocean animal could this belong to? Think about it for a moment. Hint, this fin helps the animal move swiftly through the water. Your next clue, this animal is a mammal. That means it breathes air just like we do, even though it lives in the ocean. It has to come to the surface to take a breath. Do you have any guesses yet? Here's another hint. This animal is known for its playful nature. It often jumps out of the water and can perform amazing acrobatics. People love to watch it play. What ocean animal could this be? Let's recap. Our mystery animal has a unique shaped fin, is a mammal, and is known for being playful. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a dolphin, you're right! Dolphins are amazing creatures known for their intelligence and playful behavior. Great job, everyone! Did you know that dolphins can communicate with each other using a variety of clicks, whistles, and body movements? They live in groups called pods and are known to help each other when in need. Dolphins are also incredibly smart and have been observed using tools and playing games. Isn't that fascinating? Thanks for playing Guess the Animal! We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!
Goodbye!